Hello friends, welcome to SAS Food Blogs. Today we are going to see how to make mango dragon fruit smoothie. A perfect blend of tropical flavors that not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrition. This smoothie is ideal for summer, helping you to stay cool and refreshed. In this video, we are going to see how to make this vibrant and colorful smoothie in just 5 minutes. Whether you are looking for a quick breakfast, post-workout drink or a healthy snack, this smoothie is a great choice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ingredients for making mango dragon fruit smoothie: mango, dragon fruit, ice cubes, sugar and mint leaves. Preparation method: take 2 mangoes and peel off the skin and chop into small pieces. Transfer the chopped mangoes to a blender. Take 1 dragon fruit and peel off the skin and chop into small pieces. Transfer the chopped dragon fruit to a blender. Then add few ice cubes and add 1/4 cup of sugar and blend it well. To a serving glass, pour the mango dragon fruit smoothie and garnish with chopped mangoes and chopped dragon fruit and add mint leaves. Mango dragon fruit smoothie is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.